Ready? Recording. Rolling. What's up guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm gonna tell you what YouTubers are supposed to do and what they aren't supposed to do. I made a video earlier telling you what can get your channel deleted, so if you want to check out the video, it's still on the channel. And now I'm gonna tell you the do's and don'ts for YouTubers, the things you're supposed to do and the things that you didn't supposed to do. So listen carefully. These 9 things I'm gonna tell you can affect your channel positively or negatively. If you do the right thing, your channel will grow, but if you do the wrong thing, I'm sorry for you. And now let's jump into it. The first thing is, don't make a video about yourself. I mean, don't keep making videos about yourself, like how my day went, my favorite food and something like that. Seriously, don't make videos like that. But you can make an introduction video introducing yourself so that people get to know you and your YouTube channel. Because making a lot of videos about yourself as a small YouTuber isn't a good idea. Seriously, no one knows you, so no one cares about you or how your day went. But for example, you can make a videos about celebrities, how their day went, their favorite food, because their fans would like to see information about them. But for yourself, you can make it when you have a lot of subscribers, millions of subscribers, so your subscribers care to see how your day went. But for now, don't make videos like that. If you are going to make videos like that, make it about celebrities who are already popular, because their fans can watch the video. The second thing is, don't focus on buying expensive camera gears. Start with what you have. Seriously, that's how every successful YouTuber started, and now they have a lot of subscribers. So start with what you have. If you're having a phone, I'm sure you have a camera. Just roll and tell people what you feel like. Make a video about what you like. I started with what I have, and now I'm having some things of which I'm still managing. I want a better camera gear, but don't focus on that. Just make a video. People care about the information in the video, not the quality. Though sometimes people about the quality, but for now people care about the information. So make videos and don't wait for expensive camera gears. That's it. The third thing is, don't do giveaways as a small creator, because you don't have a lot of subscribers, so that won't work. And secondly, the idea is making money, not spending money. How can you spend money without having money? Just think about it. Doing giveaways can earn you a lot of subscribers, but for now, if you want subscribers, ask them politely and they will subscribe to your channel. That's how it works if they enjoyed your content. Don't focus on the type of videos you like. Let's say you are making a tech video, don't just write a lot of content down and keep shooting. Go and search on YouTube and see what people are searching for on technology. You can make a video on that, because a lot of people want to see that. So make types of videos that people want, not the types of videos you want. Because you are not the one to watch the video, people are too, so do what they like. And the next thing, don't let what you see other YouTubers have make you eager or carried away. Seriously, just keep creating. Time shall come, and be patient. Patience is the key. And the next thing, don't ignore your YouTube comment. Make sure you reply to every single comment on your video. Seriously, that works, and that will get you more subscribers. That means you care about your subscribers and viewers, and that feels good. So reply to every comment on your video. The next thing is, never lie to your viewers or subscribers. Tell them the truth about the product and information you are trying to pass. Never lie to them. Tell them the solid truth, because if they found out themselves, if they found out that you are lying, you are toast. We are almost rounding up. Don't make videos without getting advices from successful YouTubers. If you can't contact those successful YouTubers, just join TubeBuddy and you get a lot of advices. Follow their social media pages. There are a lot of motivational clips there, and I'm sure that will work. And you can even join the YouTube Creators Academy. You can learn a lot of things there. Or you can join the YouTube Creators on Twitter. That's our account, and they post a lot of things there, so you won't miss. For example, last week I spoke with this YouTuber, Vyyyper. I'll drop a link of his channel below, so if you want to check out his channel. He's a tech YouTuber, and he gave me some great advices, and that seriously works. I feel much better, because these days I feel so lazy about making videos, so it's not easy. Don't just make videos yourself. Collaborate with other YouTubers of your own niche category, and you can make a lot of videos with them. Their subscribers will watch and your subscribers will watch, and that can get you a lot of views. It's exciting. I would advise you to do that. I'm also doing some collaboration soon, but I want to reach 150 videos, so not now, but soon I'll do a collaboration with other tech YouTubers. So subscribe so you won't miss those. And that's all the do's and don'ts for YouTube creators. I would advise you to do the right thing and make your channel a better place. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yes.